Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we will discuss about what is a report in Salesforce and how we can create it and a use case scenario regarding let's imagine you are a sales manager and you want to see all the leads in your Salesforce org, maybe grouped by lead source and lead status or other scenarios. I'll try to discuss more on this and so basically, right, whenever you want to create a report, right, you should have a clear idea on your mind on how to create it. So let's jump here and let's open our trailhead and let's open our org. So I just launched the org here. From here, just click on here and go to reports. All reports. So basically, if you remember, I have created a video on how to install an app in Salesforce. So at that time, I have added an app called Dashboard Pal, and it has created a lot of reports already. But no matter how easy a report is created with an app, it is always good to have confidence on ourselves as well if we need to create a report, right? So let's start creating one. I'm gonna create a duplicate here, and this is report. Click on here again. So from here on, you will understand why how we can create a report. So basically the first thing first is come to reports tab, or you can click on here and search for reports, or it would be somewhere here in the tab. If not, you can click on more and you can see if it is available or not. If it is available or not, just click on here and search, you will definitely get it. And this is a Salesforce standard feature, no one can hide the reports. Just click on new report here. Now the interesting part comes into the picture. So let me put it this in this way, right? Reports, this is the step 1, and new report, this is the step 2. And now if you see, right, these are all called report type names. So when I say report type name, these are the reports uh, you can select and create one. And category is of like two types, standard and custom. So standard or something that Salesforce built internally, and if you create a master detail relationship to any field, sometimes a standard report type would be created, but you can create a number of custom report types as well as per your requirement. Let's click on all. So if you see, there are a couple of custom report types as well, and yeah, this is how it is. And if you want to create a report based on specific object, like for example we are creating now on leads, so you'll get all the report types related to leads. You can select other as well, accounts, this one, and administrative reports. This is important place. You can create reports related to users, and yeah, that's it. Let's click on here leads. Now you can click on, we need to select this one maybe. And now if you see, right, it will show you what kind of reports has been created by us, or maybe what are the reports available, uh, and what are the objects that are used in this report. For example, role object, owner object, lead and user object. These are the objects used in this report. And let's click on here. Now if you see this, right, so these are the fields available. Let's say you want to filter a report or the data based upon a title, or maybe a description, or maybe a date, or converted, or last modified, whatever you think it is feasible, you can select it. Okay, now let us click on start report. for a moment. So this is like adding the standard fields, right? So basically here the interesting part comes into the picture. First thing first, group rows is used for what we say, uh, to group the fields based upon a specific value. For example, right, let's group these fields based upon the title. If you select this, and you should select this update preview automatically, this is optional, it will show you the data. If you see, right, data ops analyst created 4 leads, engineer created 3, manager created 4. So this is how you can group them based upon the title. Let's remove it. Now columns. For example, we have added first name, last name, company email, source and lead owner, right? If you want to add another field, maybe title, which was went away, so here is the title, and if you want to replace it, you can come here directly. You see, you have added a title. And if you want to add created month, you see you got a date as well. And if you want to add like maybe industry type, it is also added. And add lead status, you see, lead source, lead status. So this is how you can pull the data. And now what you can do is you can just click on save and run. Now you need to save a report. So v1 for now. We did not added any filters. I will show you regarding the filters again. And folder type, I'm selecting it to public reports. You can also create like new reports by here. For example, here in the all reports, SF reports, and click on save. I'm selected this and select folder and click on save. When you click on save, the reports would be saved, right? So we were able to see all the details here. Now what I wanted to do here is um, let's try to update the lead sources, or maybe industry would be ideal. um, Details, industry. So this is the field that we are going to do now. What I wanted to do is Google Sheets, so lead CSV, sheet 2. Okay, these are the lead IDs we have. I'm gonna insert a column, right? Now what I will do here is, oh, okay, we have some pick list values. Okay, now what I will do here is, let me go here. Uh, Printable view. I'm selecting all. I think we have enough data, but this is not the one. Okay, let's do it here only. Sorry. And industry, um, field name also industry. Let me add it here. For this 10, what I'm doing is click on data import, um, date, LED lead. Okay. Okay, we have enough data. Let me refresh it. If you see, right, we have added industry here. So basically now what I wanted to do here is, let me click on here, edit, and now I can add filters. So now here I'm selecting all leads. So when you select all leads, right, you have visibility to all the leads in your org. And if I want to select the date here, so you can select it. I'm selecting previous FY, so we don't have any, looks like, or custom FY. We have all of them created in this year. And one more thing here is industry. Let me select construction, apparel, banking, biotechnology, education, consulting. Okay, so we have made a filter here, that only these industry related leads should be appeared for me. The other fields we should not see it. Let's click on save and run again. If you see, we only got 36. Earlier we got like lots of records, right? So this is how filtering works. And one more thing here is, if you want to add like n number of filters, right? For example, industry is this, and title equals, um okay, this is not a pick list. Title equals sales rep 1, and title equals engineer. Okay, now you can also set up something called filter logic. So if you see, we have created three filters, 1, 2, and 3. Now what I will do is 1 and 2, or 1 and 3. If you see, we were able to put a filter with two conditions. Okay, 1 and not recognize, enter only numbers, parenthesis. Okay, here it is. Now apply. If you see, so based upon the filters, we only got the leads created with the name of this title and with this industry. So basically, this is how filtering works here. And I think that's it for this video. I have covered almost all of the things, like how to add a filter, how to add a group, and I think one thing I'm missing. Let me close this out. Close this out. I'm just closing all these filters, and now I'm going to group it by industry, right? And if I can also group it with title, So if you see this, right, this is like a summary table. You can expect an interview question. What is the difference between summary and tabular? So you can say this is summary one, this is a tabular one, as far as I know, and correct me if I'm wrong. So this is how you can group rows and group columns. Let me close this out. And now let's do one thing. um, so add a chart. You see, now let me click on save and run. So basically what happens, so these are the leads. This is, I mean, wherever the industry is blank, there are 525 leads, and this is we have grouped it with the industry, right? For different industry types, we have different number of leads. So this is what it is. You can change it to a bar chart, column, and other. So this is how you can select them. Okay. I think that's it for this video, friends. Almost we have covered everything. So basically, when creating a filter, right, you should have a clear concise of what needs to be done, and what kind of data we need, and what kind of filters we need to keep in, and what kind of data we are grouping. And this is how you can do. And creating a charts or diagrams like this, right, for a visual presentation, it would be very good. So that is why I tried to show you it. And yeah, one more thing is that you can subscribe to report. You will get a I mean, you will get the uh, let me click on subscribe, right? If you set up this date, you will, every frequency that we have configured, you will receive an email with the updates. And if you click on export, all the details would be exported. And yeah, you can also do one more thing in the reports, right? This is the report, right? You can share the report, or you can give the access to someone. Folder, folder, edit. Oh no, we are going to this one, created by me. So you can share it with the people that you want to use, because most of the time someone will come to you and raises a ticket that they are unable to see the reports. And this may be one of the factor why the users are unable to see the report. And yeah, that's it. I think you have learned how to create a report in Salesforce, and some key points to consider when we create a report. And I think if this video helped you, right, don't forget to like, share this video with your friends, and comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel. That's it. See you again in the next video. Thank you and have a great day.